What's up, Internet? SP here for the Marduk Report, and we are continuing our wrap-up coverage of CES 2020. This is Huion. So, a little fun fact about myself. Outside of doing all of this computer tech talk, I am actually a designer and illustrator. Using a graphics tablet is definitely a major tool of my trade. And for the longest time, Wacom has been almost like Intel, where they've never had any real competition, so they've never had to lower any of their prices or do too much that's very different. Well, Huion has been around since 2011, but they are ready to now take on Wacom, I think, in a real significant way. I don't know if it's going to be the AMD Ryzen upset that has been recently going on in the CPU world, but this could get serious. Up first, I tried the Huion Canvas 16 Pro. It is Cintiq-like, and it is amazing. So gone is the battery-powered pen. It is now completely magnetized, just like a Wacom pen. It has 6 programmable buttons, over like 8,000 levels of sensitivity in terms of pressure. I tried it with Photoshop, and I mean, in like 10 minutes, I was like, this feels exactly like the Cintiq that I have at home. And I know it's like half the price. Other sizes of the Canvas Pro line include a Canvas Pro 12, Pro 13, Pro 16, Pro 20, Pro 22, and Pro 24 at the top end in terms of size. Here at CES 2020, Huion brought the Canvas Pro 13, 16, and 20. Huion also brought to CES 2020 their graphic tablets. So these are more in line with Wacom Intuos tablets. This is the Inspiroid and the Inspiroid Dial. So the Inspiroid Dial, obviously, you can tell by the name, has a dial in the upper left-hand corner that is programmable. Both of these tablets have still over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. The regular Inspiroid has dedicated media keys in the upper right-hand corner. What's interesting about both of these tablets is that not only can you hook them up to your Windows or Apple computer, but you can actually hook these up to an Android mobile device. You can hook them up to your cell phone via an on-the-go cable, an OTG cable, and then the entire left-hand side of the tablet will basically mirror what's on your screen. So if you draw on the left-hand side of the tablet, it'll just come right up on your screen, which I think is a great idea for people who want to take notes but want to have a little bit more hand room to draw. This was my first time getting my hands on a Huion graphics tablet or a Huion graphics display. I can say without a shadow of a doubt, Wacom's gonna have to do some real fighting real soon, because I can see a lot of artists moving to a Huion tablet when there's Wacom Intuos or their Wacom Cintiq takes a poop in the bed. I mean, hell, my Cintiq, the touch on it doesn't work anymore, and I'm looking at it like, you about to get replaced, son. These Huions are really credible with an amazingly low price point. And when I say that people are going to be switching when they find out how much or how little they'll have to spend to get a Huion graphics tablet instead of paying for Wacom money, right now, the Huion Canvas 16 Pro right now on Amazon is under $400. The equivalent of a Wacom Cintiq, same size, same specs level, roughly, as close as you can get, is $1,500. I really want to get my hands on these. I am super excited because I want to get back in the drawing. I know this is a really quick video, and if you are into the arts and you have been looking at getting a graphics tablet, let me tell you, definitely could put Huion on your consideration list. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share in whichever order you so desire, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.